want to take you guys into 2044 North Fremont, where we are in the process of doing a closed foam insulation on all of these 2x6 exterior walls. And the benefit behind that is it's a 2-pound application, thermal proof, which offers you a moisture proof application and waterproof resistant. We're also going to be applying a soundproofing in between all of the ceilings. You can see the application being done right here. 2044 North Fremont. The roof of this home will be doing an R49 on the roof, which is the best application that you can offer for energy conservation. Remember, heat rises. So the top of this house at the very roof, that's the application that you're going to find. We are in the process of completing all of the insulation at 2044 North Fremont, and then we'll be preparing to start drywalling this home. Construction continues and progress is going awesome. Check out the roof application.